Talking about the changes in the AS syllabus, let's talk about what are the changes in the section number 3. Section number 3 is about marketing. Again, I repeat, when I say chapter number 17, it means this is the chapter from the Peter Stimson book. To make it further clear, I have mentioned the syllabus code, that is 3.1. I've also mentioned the name of the chapter, that is the nature of the marketing, so there might not be any confusion. There are lots of changes in this chapter. Let's talk about those. First of all, the first thing that we need to know in the 2023 syllabus, how markets may differ: consumer and industrial markets, local, national, and international markets. Although there is some concept of the local, national, international market in the section number 1, but specifically we need to study in the section number 3, 2. The implication of changes in the market share and market growth. The market share and the market growth was already part of the syllabus. Now, how the changes in the market share, for example, in case of increase in the market share or in case of decrease in the market share, how this is going to affect the market in total, how this is going to affect the business in total. Consumer and industrial marketing has been added specifically. In this, we need to identify the classification of the product. There are few types of the consumer products. We need to know that. There are few types of the industrial product. We need to know that. There are 3 types of both indeed. How the marketing might differ for the consumer product and for the business to business, B2B, B2C. There are few difference. For example, we need to know now why industrial market is different. For example, because the industrial buyer is very skilled, the industrial buyer has a lot of knowledge, has a lot of market power, etc. So we need to know all those. Another thing that has been added is customer relationship management. CRM was already part of the syllabus, but what was not in that detail. Now we need to know the aims of customer relationship management, and specifically the examiner might test from you that how customer relationship management is different from the conventional 4 P's of marketing. Okay, the cost and benefit of CRM is also part of the syllabus. Looking at the next chapter, that is market research, the syllabus code of that chapter is 3.2, and in the book, that is Peter Stimson, that is chapter number 18. Okay. There is no major change, but there was a term written that interpretation of and information presented in tables and charts. In the previous syllabus, there was a term sentence given that students might not be required to draw these charts and graphs, but that sentence has been specifically removed. So you might expect that examiner might ask you to draw a pie chart or any chart like that. Coming to the next chapter, chapter number 9, and again I repeat, when I say there is no major change, it means that there is no major addition. I'm not talking about that what has been removed from the syllabus. We'll talk about it separately. In the chapter number 19, the next chapter, the syllabus code is 3.3, the famous chapter with the name of marketing mix. What has been added to the marketing mix in the product part, in the product portfolio and product life cycle part, we can see a topic that has been added from A2. The name of that topic is Boston Matrix. So Boston Matrix and its uses are part of this chapter now. Again, chapter number 20 of Peter Stimson, syllabus code remains same because syllabus code for this chapter is same. The name is same, marketing mix. What has been added? The use of print and other advertisement techniques. Specifically, if you remember, we used to do above the line and below the line marketing techniques. No, it is presented in syllabus in a different way. We need to study the concept of print and other marketing advertisement techniques. For example, there is advertisement technique that is called guerrilla advertisement that has been added to the syllabus. Similarly, the digital promotion is the major focus of examiner now. For example, search engine optimization has been specifically asked. Another thing that is the part of the syllabus now, that is the difference between the digital and physical distribution. For example, when we talk about the digital distribution, the music that can we download from YouTube and stuff, that is also part of the chapter number 20, marketing mix now. So these are the changes in the section number 3 AS. I'm talking about AS now specifically.